Hello all. In this video, we will see how to output NMEA messages in SurveyPod. Open SurveyPod app and enter with your ID. Now navigate to NMEA menu. Here we can see that there is an option to switch on NMEA. Also you can see many options. Here we can see that there are a lot of options on the screen. These are messages. The messages that need to be kept on are given within this information box. After switching on the messages, click on Apply. Now NMEA messages are being sent. Now you need to disconnect the pod from SurveyPod app. If your pod ID is not paired with Bluetooth pair from here. Now open your mapping app. Here I am using SW Maps. Click on the first option. You can choose the connection mode. Change it to Bluetooth and click on the pod ID. You can also give the instrument height here. Now it has successfully been connected. Here you can see that we are getting the latitude and longitude details as well as the elevation details. You can also create new feature layers and by giving name, type and symbol. This is your location. If you want to record a point, then use this option, record using GPS. And here you get this screen. If you want to average, then you can enter the averaging time and then press this button. Now your point has been recorded. Clicking on the point will get you all the details. This is how you connect through NMEA. With this we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video.